Ano?
Hi, Rika! Kaya tuwa ka subong. You know, I miss you kabalo ka ano nga day subong. Ano gani subong nga date man? September 20 bala subong mo. Kabalo ko kay sino na birthday. Kabalo ka ko kay sino na birthday. Oh my gosh, hindi ko kabalo kung sino na birthday. Oh, sino naman 20 subong nga adlaw as in subong gid ya nga adlaw. So, babe, happy birthday as in prepare gid ko sa imo ya as in happy birthday. So, hindi na ko guro magkanta kay kahuluya na gid niya. Pati na, babe, of course, happy birthday. You know, I miss you so much. I wish lang gid you good health. Hopefully, love. All the love gid from Ross. Sa kay tita, kay tito, of course, from me. Pasando ka na di mapuli. Ano pa gid man? Dudam ko guro gusto, no? Galing of course, isa-isa lang. But, I wish you have fun today because it's your day. You'll be 20 and you're 20 already. So, I don't know what more to do or of course, kung ang Singapore lapit lang sa Philippines, aragin ko da. So, well, this is my little way of saying how much I miss and how much I love you. You're my best friend for almost 13 years na since mga sipunon pa ta. So, I'm so glad you're a part of my life, Gidya. So, have fun and hopefully you'll have a great career ahead of you. Okay, babe? So, happy birthday again and I love you. So much hugs! Mwah!